Removing a payment method from your PayPal account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your payment information is updated. Step 1. Log into your PayPal account. Go to the PayPal website or open the app and enter your login credentials to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to Wallet. Once logged in, find the Wallet option in the menu. This section contains all your linked payment methods. Step 3. Select the payment method. In the Wallet section, locate the payment method you wish to remove. Click on it to view more details. Step 4. Remove the payment method. Look for an option that says Remove or Delete next to the payment method. Click on it and confirm your choice when prompted. Step 5. Confirm changes. After removing the payment method, ensure that it no longer appears in your wallet. You may want to refresh the page to verify the update. By following these steps, you can easily manage your payment method in PayPal. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to PayPal's customer support for assistance.